Hello friends, today our topic is meaning of balanced diet. Meaning means definition or sense. Concept is called meaning of a relationship between a part and a whole is called of balanced diet. A diet consisting of a variety of different types of food and providing sufficient amounts of the nutrients necessary for good health is called balanced diet. Balanced diet is that diet which contains all required food constituents in optimum proportions and bulk, which would maintain the body in perfect health, activity and growth. Means correct amount of food items is that food consists of complete food components in a large ratio which helps the human to develop suitable fitness. Balanced diet is a quite different from a stomach full of food. Means correct amount of food is dissimilar from when the body is fully satisfied with food. The stomach can be filled with any type of food depending upon the habit of the individual and the availability of food. For example, sweetened rice, salted boiled rice, rice and potato. Means the organ in your body where food goes after you have eaten it, decided by the usual behavior and the food items that can a person eat. Chooses a typical case. Sweetened rice means the rice baked with sugar. The rice Salted rice means the rice baked with salt, and rice tomato means the rice baked with tomato. In all these cases, the food is rich in carbohydrates with little proteins, fats, minerals, and vitamins. Means rice baked with salt, sugar, and tomato. The food has a great amount of carbohydrates, helps to produce energy with small quantity of protein, which helps the people and animals grow and be healthy. Fats are composed of fatty acids and glycerins. Minerals means are the inorganic compounds and vitamins essential for healthy person for the defense of various organs. A combination of two types of foods would provide the necessary major types of nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Means in the same way, the diet consisting of only fish or meat without carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. A mixture of two kinds of food can able to give sufficient kinds of substance which help to grow carbohydrates, fats and vitamins. Supplementing this food with milk, vegetables and fruits give the required minerals and vitamins. Means the food like milk, vegetables and fruits give the required minerals and vitamins to the human beings. A normal healthy persons require 55 to 75% carbohydrates, 15 to 35% fats, means 10 to 15% proteins, traces of minerals and vitamins. Means a person who has good physical health needed 55 to 75% carbohydrates, 15 to 35% fats, 10 to 15% proteins, a very small amount of minerals and vitamins. This is besides the requirement of water and roughness. Means at the side of the something that you need of water and roughness, means the types of or a pots of food, fiber, which help your stomach to deal with other foods. The energetic food in our diet consists of various types of essential chemicals for our body termed as nutrients. Thus, the science which deals with the nutritious diet and its importance for the individual is known as nutrition. Means food energy released from carbohydrates, fats, proteins and other organic compounds is a very important substance which produced in a chemical process in our body that is known as substance that is needed to keep a living thing alive and to help it grow. The study and knowledge about eating variety of foods that give you the nutrients and maintain your health, feel good and have energy for the individual is known as the food that you eat and the way that it affects your health. Nutritious diet is directly affects the health of individual, and nutritious diet is known as balanced diet or the diet which consists of all these nutrients in correct proportions for efficient working of body is known as balanced diet. Means the food that you eat and the way it affects your health is called correct amount of food, or the food which contain complete need to the supply to our bodies in right ratios and helps for excellent working of physical structure is called correct amount of food. Thanks and have a nice day.